It's 10 trivia questions on movies for the birds. Name all the movie answers with bird or a type of bird in their titles. This is Trivia with Buds. What it be, and welcome to another episode of the Trivia with Buds podcast. I'm your host, Ryan Buds. Thanks for checking out my show. Thanks for all those referrals you sent me last week or so. Appreciate all the people who reached out and said, hey, my so-and-so might be interested in an event with you. Here's their contact info. Keep doing that. I will send you money if I book a show. I promise I'll send you $150, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so very much. Today's episode is all about movie titles that have a bird or a type of bird in their titles. This will be a fun one. We did this at my live nights in Southern California last week, two of which are brand new. Starting in April, we've got Hurricanes in Huntington Beach on Monday nights from 7 to 9. They have this huge prize wheel with all these amazing prizes on it. You can win like a steak dinner for two. You can win like bottles of stuff. You can win swag, chicken wings, all kinds of great prizes. And they want to spin this thing like 15 times every night. So my boy Dylan Enderby will be hosting there on Monday nights from 7 to 9. Huntington Beach, as close to the coast as you can get. So go check that out. You could also play at Route 30 Brewing starting on Wednesday, April 6th, I believe it is. And that'll be 6:30 to 8:30 every Wednesday in downtown Riverside, California. So check all those out on the weekly shows tab at triviawithbuds.com and get connected if you live in SoCal. And if you live in Northeast Tennessee, you can always play with me at about 3 or 4 places monthly and one place weekly right now, State Street Brewing in Bristol, Virginia, right on the state line of Tennessee and Virginia. Again, triviawithbuds.com. Your Geek Out challenges for today are movies. Name 6 characters that Eddie Murphy has played. For TV shows, 4 shows on which a main character is bald. For book titles, 2 titles in which the Knights Templar appear. For music, 4 songs with a precious stone in the title. And for miscellaneous, 2 Nobel Prize winners. And there you go. We're jumping into movies for the birds right now. Here we go. It's movies for the birds. Here's question number 1. We have 3 bullet points, by the way, and then you have to guess the movie title that has a bird or a bird type in the title. Number 1, family sports film from 1992. Joshua Jackson as Charlie Conway, and part of a Disney trilogy. What is that movie? Number 1. Movies for the birds, number 2, animated film from 2016, based on a very popular phone app. Green Pig Villains. Number 3, biography comedy drama film from 2016. Hugh Jackman stars, tells true story of a 1988 Olympian. Number 4, animated film from 2016. Andy Samberg stars as main voice, and baby delivery service adventure. Number 4. Number 5, live action film from 2011. Jim Carrey inherits certain creatures based on a children's book. Number 6, drama thriller from 2010. A dancer questions her sanity, and Mila Kunis co-stars. Number 6. Number 7, action comedy from 2020. Black Canary and Huntress. Rated R. Number 8 on your list for movies for the birds, drama comedy from 1975, based on a novel by Ken Kesey, and Nurse Ratched villain. Number 9, comedy drama from 2017, set in Sacramento, California in 2002, Laurie Metcalf as the mom. Number 10, comedy drama from 2014, washed-up movie star goes on Broadway, lots of one-shot looking scenes. And for 2 points, this one's sort of vague on purpose for the bonus question. For 2 points, 2018, Jennifer Lawrence, Russian intelligence. That's all you get. 2018, Jennifer Lawrence, Russian intelligence. All these movies are for the birds, and I hope you got the answers. We'll be back with those answers after this noise. We're back with the answers to movies for the birds. Number 1, family sports film from 92, Joshua Jackson as Charlie Conway, part of a Disney trilogy. That would be The Mighty Ducks. Anaheim's own The Mighty Ducks. Number 1, great trilogy. Have not seen the new series that Emilio Estevez walked away from, but we'll see how season 2 goes. Number 2, animated film from 2016 based on a very popular phone app, Green Pig Villains, The Angry Birds Movie. Angry Birds, the movie. Number 3, biography comedy drama film from 2016. Hugh Jackman stars, tells true story of a 1988 Olympian. That's Eddie the Eagle. Eddie the Eagle. Number 4, animated film from 2016. Andy Samberg stars as main voice, baby delivery service adventure, Storks. My kids watch this. We have the Blu-ray of this. It's a really good movie. I like it quite a bit from beginning to end. Very funny for adults and for kids. Check it out. Kelsey Grammer's the voice of the villain. It's good. Number 5, live-action film from 2011. Jim Carrey inherits certain creatures based on a children's book. Never saw it myself. Mr. Popper's Penguins. I should show that to the kids. I'm sure it's fun. Number 6, drama thriller from 2010. A Dancer Questions Her Sanity. And Mila Kunis, my personal friend, from hosting live trivia for the cast of Family Guy at Comic-Con at Home this past July. Black Swan, number 6. Black Swan. Number 7, action comedy from 2020, Black Canary and Huntress, rated R, Birds of Prey. Number 8, drama comedy from 1975, based on a novel by Ken Kesey and Nurse Ratched villain, One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, is the great movie and book, and you can watch the origin story of Nurse Ratched. I think the show's just called Ratched on Netflix with Sarah Paulson. Number 9, comedy drama from 2017, set in Sacramento, California in 2002. Laurie Metcalf as the mom. Lady Bird, the first movie I watched of 2022 for some reason. It's pretty good. Number 10, comedy drama from 2014. Washed up movie star goes on Broadway. Lots of one-shot looking scenes. Birdman. Birdman with Michael Keaton and Zach Galifianakis and others. And for 2 points, the bonus, 2018, Jennifer Lawrence, Russian intelligence. It was Red Sparrow. Red Sparrow. Very similar looking to the Black Widow origin story trailer. Kind of similar. Also the movie Lucy. And that's Scarlett Johansson as well, I think. But there you go. That is your round on movies for the birds. Thanks for playing along today. Your fact of the day is if you inhale a pea, P-E-A, it can sprout and grow in your lungs. That would be unfortunate. But maybe a children's book of some kind. I think I could write it. Maybe a 22-pager with pictures. Thanks for supporting the show on Patreon, patreon.com/trivia with buds. Thanks for checking out the theme song and more from my good friend Brian Foster, a.k.a. Frosty, F-R-A-W-S-T-Y, soundcloud.com/Frosty if you want to hear more digital music, house music, club music from my friend Frosty, who does the theme song for this show for over 5 years now, I think, or close to 5 years. Check all that out in the show notes of every episode, and leave an iTunes review if you listen on iTunes. That would help get more eyes and ears in the show. I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks for listening. Thanks for telling a friend, and we'll see you next time for more Trivia with Buds. Keep sending me referrals. Get that money.